Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your core web vitals tracking with Semrush step by step clearly. To back up your core web vitals tracking with Semrush, start by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the Projects section on the left-hand menu. Select the project associated with your website where you want to track core web vitals. If you haven't created a project yet, click the Create Project button and follow the prompts. Once your project is open, locate the Site Audit tool. Click on Site Audit and ensure that you have the necessary permissions set up to crawl your website. In the Site Audit dashboard, find the Core Web Vitals section. This section displays the current performance metrics of your website. To back up your data, look for the Download or Export button within the Core Web Vitals section. Choose your preferred format for the backup, either CSV or PDF. Click the button to initiate the export process. Watch for the notification that confirms your download is ready. Proceed to download the file to your device. Once downloaded, review the file to ensure all necessary data is included. If you want ongoing tracking, consider setting up automatic scheduled reports in Semrush. To do this, go back to the project settings. Select Scheduled Reports and configure the frequency of your reports. Finalize your settings and ensure that the reports include Core Web Vitals metrics. By following these steps, you will have successfully backed up your Core Web Vitals tracking data with Semrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.